morning, guys. Sunday morning, bright, shiny, warm. Gonna have a nice mellow day today. Maybe get up into high 70s. It'll be high 70s. Right now it's high 60s, low 70s. It's great. I'm gonna check the garden out with you guys. But first I got a question to ask you. If you make long form videos or even if you just do live streams, have you ever had one of those days where you just wanted to take your phone or your camera, your GoPro, whatever it is you use to make videos, and your microphones, and just throw them as far away as you can and say, screw it, I'm not doing this anymore? I had one of those days yesterday. So I came out and made a garden video yesterday. I worked in the garden. I was sharing what I did in the garden with you guys, and had trouble with my gimbal. It wouldn't do the simplest things it was supposed to do. I had several different problems. At one point I was like, you know what, I'm just not gonna do this. And then I went in later in the evening to edit and went to download my video, and half of it didn't have any audio. I was pissed. Yeah, that's the best way to say it. Anyway, I'm going to start over again today. So I'll show you what I did, what I got done yesterday, what I'm going to do today, and I'm not going to check every segment. If I don't have audio today, then I might be done for a while. So let's hope I have audio, because I kind of like doing this most of the time. Let's start over there on the southwest corner, the herb garden where I normally start, and we'll work our way back around to where I'm at now. I'm standing over here because the sun's over there right now, and when I'm over there, it's going to be right at my back. So let's go. Come on. So you can see the basil's doing real good. I did prune it back yesterday. It needed to be pruned. It was getting out of hand, getting close to probably going to flower. So got the lavender plant down on the end. All looking good. The oregano is looking good, coming up. The thyme, I might get another thyme plant. This kind of got shadowed out a little bit. I might get another thyme plant and put over there in front of the lavender. The deal is doing good. I'm actually it's trying to start to flower in some spots, so I'm going to go ahead and pinch these off and trim this back a little bit and see if I can get it to last a little while longer. It always tries to bolt early here. And then the cilantro is in there, and we've got the rosemary. And I do have 3 other herbs that I'm going to put in here as well. Probably do that today. And let's just move along. Carrots and the Todd onions are looking great. Doing really good. The flowers and the potatoes looking awesome. So I'm going to actually, I need to get some soil in here and mound these potatoes up. I will do that today in a separate video. And I need to do the same with those. This one here is ready for the second bucket to go on top, so we'll get that done. Oh, who's that? That's right, that's Sock-a-Doodle-Doo right there. So the tomatoes, got them all strapped up yesterday. They are looking good. I do have a video on my tomato ties that I use right here. I could edit that, would probably take me 10-15 minutes, and I'll get that out to you guys. It works really good. So these 2 plants on this side, I don't have any tomatoes on those yet. Those are the black creme. Don't have anything on them yet. I expect them to start making sets at any time. So we've had a lot of rain. We're going to get more rain too. So yeah, got the Parks Whopper. It's got a couple of them down here, starting down here on the bottom. So that was a really good tomato last year. Cucumbers, doing really good. I got them strapped up where they're headed back up the trellis where they need to be. We've got, sorry about the shadow, but we've gotten some China jades. We already had one China jade in our salad the other day. We got a China jade there, and I saw another one yesterday up here. Oh, right, straight back in there. And another one making over on this corner, I think. And then I did get my first pickling cucumber off of the plant yesterday. I put in the refrigerator. Should have several of them start coming in now. So there's another one making right back there. Another one there, and they grow really quick. So once they start making, there's another new female flower over there. So once they start making, they make really quick. So I'll be making some refrigerator pickles probably next week. And then I got the back tomatoes pruned up a little bit and pinned up against the trellis to get them moved up and get them off of the watermelons. I do have a watermelon video update, so I need to finish editing that and get that out to you. And look how good my weed garden is doing. Those weeds are doing great. Yeah, so they'll be coming out today. I did pick the onions, and I have the onion harvest video as well that I need to get edited and out to you guys. But I did get the spare peppers put in here. I have 2 lemon spice and 2 orange spice here. And then over here on this side, I've got 4 of the Craig's Grandes in there as well. So, oh yeah, and here in the front, you see the wet strip. I did get 1 row of radishes put in yesterday, so there's that. Oh, while we're here, let's go ahead and go inside the greenhouse. So I bought this thing here, and I don't really know what possessed me. It's curry icicles. I don't know what I'll do with that. I'm not sure how to use it or what to do with it. So, but I do have some parsley to go in, and then I have some peach sage that I picked up last week, and then another spicy globe basil. So that looks like that looks pretty interesting. So I'm going to put that in as well today. I'll get those planted. And then Deb had sent us some seeds, and I got some put in the refrigerator, but I went ahead and planted some straight up. And I think these 2 are the same. These were out of I've numbered all the bags because they weren't labeled. So bag 1 and 2 are planted there. Number 3 did look a little bit different. Is planted there, and then in the back they look totally different. I only planted 5 of these cells. I meant to bring out 6 seeds. I only brought out 5, so I didn't go back in. So there's that. And then on the basil, I did trim it off yesterday, pruned it up, and I have some of the cutoffs in here repropagating in water. So pretty soon they'll start putting on some roots, and after they have a chance to put some roots on for just a little bit, then I will plant those back in soil, and I'll have, out of this here, I'll have 8 more basil plants. So, cool. I think I bought this thinking it was something else, and not paying attention. I mean, I can't believe I wouldn't pay attention, right? I do hang out with Todd, though. So, we'll come over here, check the beans, and this side over here, and then I'm going to cut this off. It will be the update for the garden on the 3rd of May, and then like I said, I'll do the potatoes separate. Try to keep the videos a little bit shorter for you guys. So the beans are doing good. The peppers over here are doing good. I got the same 3 pepper varieties over here. I got the Craig's Grandes. I have the lemon spice and the orange spice along here. And then over here, the beans on this end are doing great. These are I got flowers. Check it out. So we're going to start getting some beans on here pretty soon on this one here. And these are the purple pods, I think, on those. These are homestead beans. And I kind of had a gap in here. I don't know what happened to the plants. So I went ahead and planted another 5 or 6 seeds down there. We'll see if they come up. And then we kind of split right here, and I think this is the home. I think this is a homestead, and then this here is these are Chinese noodle beans. So something I haven't grown before, but they looked kind of cool. So we'll just help that guy to train himself up there a little bit. So yeah, so looking forward to those. So that's where we're at on the garden right now. It's coming along really good. I'm gonna move the onions back out into the sun today and let them dry a little bit more, and then I'll probably start putting those in the mesh bags tomorrow. So that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button, comment. You can subscribe right up there. Really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch some of my stuff, and we will see you on the next one. See ya.